Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME P3 and let me share with you how to allow the automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Then let's scroll down and tap on Version, localize version number, and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. Then let's go back to the general list of the settings and tap on System and Updates and tap on Developer Options. And now all you have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find the option Automatic System Updates and tap on the switcher to turn it on. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. And of course, whenever the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.